Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my YouTube channel Infinity Academy. Today we are going to start exercise 1A question number 2. And the question number 2 is find the prime factorization of each of the following numbers leaving your answer in index notation. Now before starting the solution of this question you need to understand what prime factorization is. Prime factorization is basically a kind of LCM in which we have to divide, we have to take LCM, but we can use only prime numbers. For example, we can use 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, up to so on. So this is known as prime factorization and leaving your answer in index notation. Index notation basically means power, like 2 square. Square is the power. So 2 square, 3 cube. These powers are known as index notations. Let's start the solution. Question number 2a part is 72. So first of all, let's find out prime factorization. But let me tell you one thing that there are two ways to find prime factorization of any number. One way is factor tree method and the other is by division method. So we are going to follow division method to find the prime factorization. Draw a table like this and write down the number here, 72. Now we have to find prime factors of the number 72. Look at the ones place, it's 2. So as I've told you in question number 1 about prime and composite numbers, you can apply that method here and you can see whether it's a prime or composite number. As it's 2, so 72 is divisible by 2. We are going to start like this. 2 3 times is 6, 1 carry, 12, 2, 6 times is 12. Again, this is even number, it means 36 is even and it can be divisible by 2 again. 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, so it's now 16. 2, 8 times is 16. Now we got 18 as again 8 is an even number. So 18 is an even number and we can start solving it with the smallest prime number, that is 2 again. 2, 9 times is 18. Now as you can see 9 is not an even number but it is an odd number and we can see that it comes in 3 times table. So 3 threes are 9 and 3 ones are 3. Now look, we got 1 here, so we have to stop our solution here. These are all the prime factors of the number 72. Now let's see how to write it. 72 is equals to 2. How many 2's are here? 1, 2, 3. So 2, we will write 3 times 2. And how many 3's are here? 1 and 2. And we will write 2 3's here. Now, this thing is really important. You need to understand that what is the index of these numbers. Index is the power. So when there is no power, there is no index, the power is 1. So let's say all the numbers have the power 1. So 2 is one family and 3 is the other family. So we can write 2 as 1, 2, 3. The power will be 3. Whenever the numbers are being multiplied, their powers always add. So we have to add the powers. 1 plus 1 plus 1 makes 3. So the power is 2 cube times 3. Now look, the same number is being multiplied. Write it only one time and add the powers. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Now look, the question was leaving your answers in index notation. We got our answer in index notation, so we will stop our solution here. And this is our answer. Let's start question number 2, B part. And the B part is 187. So first of all, we will find prime factors of the number 187. Let's find the prime factors. 187. Now, first of all, look at the ones place. The digit at the ones place is 7, that is odd. So we know that 187 doesn't come in 2 times table. So let's move forward to the next prime number, that is 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 6 times is 18, but there is no 7 in 3 times table. So we cannot solve it with 3 times table as well. What's the next prime number? It is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3. We'll move forward to 5. As the ones place is neither 0 nor 5, so we cannot solve it with 5 times table as well. Then we have the next prime number, that is 7. Let's check its divisibility by 7. 7 1 times 7, 7 2 times is 14. If you divide it by 7, 7 2 times is 14. 4 is the remainder and 7 will come down. 7 7 times is 49. But we don't need 49, we need 47. 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49. So there is no 47 in 7 times table as well. So we can say that it is not divisible by 7 as well. Now think about the next prime number, 2, 3, 5, 7, and the next prime number is 11. Let's check its divisibility by 11. 11, 1 times is 11. Now the remainder is 18 minus 11, 7. 7 will go carry, so it's 77 now. 11, 7 times is 77. Now as you can see that the number 187 is divisible by 11. 11 17 times is 187. Let's solve it further. As 17 is itself a prime number, so no need to check its divisibility by any other prime number. Just solve it simply. 17 1 times is 17, and that's it. These are the factors of 187. Now how are we going to write the solution? 187 is equals to 11 multiplied by 17. As the numbers are different, so we know we cannot add their indices, their powers, so we will write the answer as it is. So this is the answer.